Okay guys, here's how you can actually get unbanned for 1 day in Roblox. So what we want to do is just click on the gear icon here, and we will go into help and safety. Here we will see this option, violations and appeals. Just click on it and then select support. Now here we will have to type our username. The first name is optional, but this is really important. Make sure you type your email address here and confirm it. So we have to write our email address twice. Now, what device are you having the problem on? Here we will choose the device which we use to play. For me, it's going to be PC. Now, this is also really important type of help category. We'll click on this menu and then we'll go and select moderation. And then here we will choose I was wrongly moderated for something I said. It can also be for other reasons depending on your personal case, but for me it's going to be for something that I said. And we will explain that I've been banned for 1 day and I really need to play Roblox because the ban was wrongfully issued. Please review it and unban me if possible. Something along those lines. Obviously you can write this in a better way, and you can explain your issue. And then after, if we have input our email address here, we can just click on continue, and this is going to send the email to Roblox. And then check your email address here for Roblox to get back to you, and they can unban your account before the 1 day expires. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.